Hello everyone, my name is Jude and welcome back to my channel. In this new tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a balloon lollipop. To make a balloon lollipop, we need 2 260 balloons, any color of your choice. In this tutorial, I'm going to use red and blue. So first step, grab the 260 red balloon and pump 8 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we tie the balloon. Next, we're going to grab the blue 260 balloon and we pump 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to tie the nozzle together like so. So the next step is we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 finger loop. Okay, we're going to make a loop and then we're going to twist here 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to lock twist. 1, 2. So the next step is we're going to make a 2 finger bubble. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, we twist 6 times and then we make a pinch twist. 1, 2. Okay, and then we make another 2 finger pinch twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we make the pinch twist. 1 and 2. Alright, like so. Okay, 2 pinch twists here. So the next step, we're going to create a loop like so, and then we're going to twist this about 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to wrap it around the pinch twist here. We're going to wrap it around by twisting the balloon like so. So the next step is we're going to make another loop. Alright, this time is the blue color. We're going to do this. We're going to twist it here about 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after that we're going to wrap it around the pinch twist by twisting this balloon. Okay, adjust it. Then the last part here we're going to make another loop. Turn it around. We're going to make a loop here. We're going to twist it here 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And then we're going to wrap it around the pinch twist. Okay, like so. And then we're going to position this here. Make sure it's here. We adjust this. Adjust this. Okay, make it all aligned. And then if you are happy with the look of it, then this part here we're gonna cut this. Then after that we're going to wrap this around the pinch twist a few times. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to cut this excess. I'm going to position this pinch twist, and then the last part here, this one, we're going to tie this. And then we're going to cut this. Ta-da! our balloon lollipop has completed. That's about it, guys. If you like this balloon tutorial, please do comment at the comment box down below and give it a thumbs like. This is not goodbye, and see you next time.